Hello, my good people, my good people. I greet una this evening. Good evening, good evening, and I greet all of una we don't subscribe to Blacks in Europe TV as we remains the Blacks Hope. Today we dey here na another day. Today we go talk about people wey una get protezione speciale, casi speciale. These two people we go talk about una and the new date for the payment of the reddito, the emergenza, the fourth one, which is the last one. It don't come out. We go still talk about that one, and we go talk about also on our way get carta identita electronic, the plastic. You get carta identita plastic one like this one, no be the paper one. If you know say you get some, and if you not get and you don't plan say you won't do, there are some things where they very dangerous about this plastic where you need to know about before you go the commu, or if you don't already do, we go tell you why we say it is very dangerous and risky. So listening to the video till it go end, now you go understand everything where they inside. As una know say I be the brand ambassador of TapTapSend. Today this video na TapTapSend sponsor us. Use TapTapSend, send money go Ghana, Nigeria, especially Nigeria. If you send €100, it go high for you where. Not forget to use our promo code, which is Gloria. TapTapSend na very safe. Tomorrow I will post the where they don't register the TapTapSend, because many people they say maybe na scam, maybe na this. No, TapTapSend na registered application where they get for Europe, they get for UK, they get for Canada, and also the United States of America. Most of una wey be like say if una send money with TapTapSend, maybe because una do mistake with una account where una want send the money go. Most of the time they will tell you say your money is the money they pending, the money never go. So later they will tell you say the money is fair because the account where you give them maybe some things no they go correct in the account. So in case if they tell you say they go return your money for you as normal, now 3 working days, by before 3 working days your money go come out. So in case if you don't use TapTapSend send money maybe yesterday and they tell you say the money no go, so they don't return the money, not be as they tell you say they don't return that moment you go see the money. No, they work like that. Not only TapTapSend, all application where they tell they do something online. Now so it be if they pay something return or they do payment, so far as now your account they won't return the money come, it will take at least 3 working days before the money go come. So in case if you encounter problems like this, no fear. Now, moving into the reddito, the emergenza, now the first one way I want may we first talk about. When I know say they don't already pay the rest ones, the third one, many people now don't receive on their own. Who never receive, meaning say you own, now pay, they don't want pay for her. Now, people they wait for the fourth payment, which the money it will come at least by on the 11th of this particular November where we did. But mind you, say IMS people, sometimes they like to change the date. So in case if they do only updates about the dates, I will still let you know. But so far as me with you they talk where they never change anything, but on the 11th you go get your money inside your account. 11th of this thing November, which is Thursday coming, you go get your money inside your account. Now we dey go because we don't want to take much time. This video will spend only 10 or 12 minutes. Yes, we dey go into this particular carta di identità, the electronico, the carta di identità. There is something about this particular carta di identità. I don't know I don't know about the paper one, you understand? Because the time when me get the paper one, that time I don't come Italy new. I know they hear Italy. So I don't know whether the law about that one with this plastic one are the same. But today now this plastic one, now we won't speak about. Because me I they do video on waiting I don't experience and waiting I know. Now they talk about no be waiting person, they tell me. If you go to official anagraphy to apply for this particular carta di identity, first of all, the day when you saw they do everything finished, they go give you this particular paper. This paper, you go see say some number there are some important number pin where be like say it is very important on this particular paper where they will give you. So the paper you go see say they don't write pin and also the PUK. You understand? All these things where they on the carta the identity, this paper it is very important. But today no be that one I won't explain give you, because with this electronic carta identity, if it allow you to go in the Ministero del Interior in the website, you go log in even though you you not get speed. If he allow you to go in their website, even though you not get speed, if he still allow you to go the IO app without any speed, and that IO app, you where you don't take vaccine, if you get that app where you don't activate the moment where you take vaccine, they go activate your green pass for you direct. No be you go even go any office go carry go do the green pass. No be that one we want talk about. The one where we want talk will be one thing will be dangerous. Before they go release this character identity for you, there is one paper where they go let you sign. It might be say the time where you get your own, maybe you know they hear Italy, so maybe the thing where they tell you, or maybe the person where you go meet them for them, you know, agree explain all the laws about this particular character identity. First of all, on this character identity electronico, the day where they go give you first, now this paper they go first give you, then 1 week time this one will come, or 4 days time this one will come out. Now before they go give you this one, they go first let you sign one paper. The paper, in case maybe they not explain give you, or in case you go they explain but you don't understand, wetin dey inside that paper where you sign, they say you if the paper you sign yes, if say you sign, if you sign yes, now they let you sign. It means say anytime any day where you go die, all that your enemy dead body where they ground, any part where they inside, where Italy doctors or Italy government know say it dey very important to them, they need they have the right to remove those parts. For example, if now your eye, they think say the eye, you don't die by the eye, they need that. Your kidney, they need that. Your heart, they need that. Maybe your spinal cord, your penis, your bronchus, your breast, any part of your body, they have the right to take her from your body. Anybody where you don't do this character identity electronico, they ask you this question. But maybe it might be you know they hear Italy, or maybe the person where you go meet that particular day when they do the character identity, he no agree explain to you, him by himself select something for you, now he tell you say sign. But one thing about it, if you don't sign, and now your mind, as I don't draw your attention to that, you still have the right to go to the official anagraph. You go tell them say you don't hear say, they say if you get this electronico, you get some agreement where you do with them. But you that time you know they hear Italy, so you don't know what you choose. So you won't know whether you agree. Say may they take your pass if you die, or you not agree. Then they know the process where they go pass you through. Then they go control for you. They go know whether you accept say if you die, may they take your pass, or may they leave your pass, take go bury ground. This thing now waiting, I use I read, confirm, I sign my own. I get the copy of my own. Waiting me choose. That one are my own choice. But I dey draw your attention to that. In case if you be new migrant, in case if you be old migrant, say they don't do for you, but the Italy confuse you, or the person where you go meet, maybe you no agree explain to you, say, see this plastic where we won't give you. See one law where they here. This law means say either you go accept say if you die, may they take the parts where they think say they need, or you go say you no need that, may they bury you with all your parts. So you by yourself sit down reason. If you get plastic, the day where you go, they ask you that question, you sign some papers where your mind they tell you say you don't understand the paper. If yes, you have the chance to change. If yes, you know what thing you sign, whether na yes they choose for you or na no they choose for you. So try to find out, is very, very important. Some people they get options, say yeah, if I die, take her. Because I don't die, I don't want to use that thing do anything. Some they go say no, I don't know my future. Maybe I go be big man. Maybe I go be rich person. They won't carry my dead body go Africa, bury me, perfect burial. They will go and they see say maybe na eye doctor see say they need, they don't come out eye. They don't put cotton for that. Maybe tongue, they don't remove her. Your kidney, they don't remove her. So you need to know about this. Now, moving into the Casi Speciale and Protezione Speciale is very interesting, and you need to watch the video till the end. Now, most of the people that they call in say they get Protezione Speciale, Casi Speciale, but as the paper expire where they put for renew, Questura con call them say their commissioner say may they come back to another commission. Many people don't call, they complain, they ask whether I go fit carry this paper, go back to Africa. My brother, Casi Speciale, Protezione Speciale. First law where you need to know about, wetin be the Casi Speciale? The Casi Speciale means a special case. And you understand what is special case. Protezione Speciale, meaning special protection. You understand what is special protection. Now, the second law is, according to the Italian Decreto Immigrazione signed by Luciano Lamorgese and then Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte. Anybody where you get Protezione Speciale, before you even go to apply Carta Soggiorno, you need to first convert the paper from Protezione Speciale or Casi Speciale to Lavoro. Now, the moment where you move your paper from that Protezione Speciale to Lavoro Subordinato, either 2 years or 1 year, no law of the Protezione Speciale or Casi Speciale hold you. No law hold you. All your law, you know, say your paper na working permit. So you need to find job and renew your paper. Basta, kaput. You with any Italian law, no get any problem. But the moment where the paper still dey Protezione Speciale or Casi Speciale, those law hold you. Now, the Protezione Speciale where they and the Casi Speciale, you go commission, they don't give you asilo. Your matter, they not still won't deny you. Now they give you special protection. Their eyes still there your body. Now make the day where you go commission, they give you your storybook, they carry one, keep for their computer. So that in case, anytime when they go see say the things where you tell them, when you say you don't want to do, you they do one, your commissioner feel call you, question you. Especially, maybe on your commission date, you tell them say, I don't want to go my country again. They write it documented. Now, after getting the paper, they don't see say, yes, you don't travel, go your country many times. Your commissioner, by in choice, fit tell Questura say, Mona not renew the paper. I need this also person. Because in tell me, say, you know go in country. But why in they go in country? That's why if you meet a correct lawyer, you ask her that question, say, can you travel to Africa? Can I travel with my Protezione Speciale or Casi Speciale to my homeland or my country of origin? A good lawyer will tell you, say, depending on your story. Because you know, say, commissioner fee call you, ask you question. Your mind go say, yes, but Italy law say, now only asilo no fee go in country. Yeah, na perfect law. Your own, they not say no go. But depending on your story, waiting you tell the commissioner the day where you go the commission. So if you go, even though you not get asilo, commissioner fee see, meaning say this person, he can't lie all this lie. Now we take give him these 2 years. May he come, may we ask a question. Maybe you self, you stated in your commission date, say, if you go your country, they go kill you. The moment where you go read there, they go kill you. But you don't go come. No be say maybe commissioner no want renew. Going to that commission no mean say they no want renew. Maybe they go renew. But they want still ask you say, by that time, you say if you go, they go kill you. But we don't see say you go. Or the matter on a don't settle. Commissioner fee call you, question you that. Maybe commissioner, story where you tell her, he don't still sit down, they don't analyze the story. The day where you want renew, they don't see say, this boy true, he dey in danger. This matter where he talk, we don't confirm. As you get 2 years paper, they fit give you 5 years paper. I know say some people he go there on a surprise, but many people there, where be like say they don't go commission. After they get paper, 2 years paper, now they give them. Later, they put paper for renew. As the paper won't come out, it come out with 5 years. Depending on your story, your condition. Maybe, for example, you call, you tell them, say, one sickness, they worry you. They look, now they give you Protezione Speciale. At the end of the day, the paper don't expire. You feel put down for renew. Commissioner fee still sit down, look. Say, this person, this story where he tell us, say, they sick, oh, true. See all in records for Italy here. The person, they truly, they say, may we give him protection. May he dey Italy here. May we give him 5 years. May he dey here. So, the commissioner, they have the right to take any decision on your document, depending on the story you told them. That's why every day, I dey advise my lovely viewers, Say no use one person issue tell say this person do and nothing happen, so me sef won't do and nothing dey happen. Everybody get this in head, the way God take create am and how favor dey in body. Wetin me do wey favor me no mean say you sef if you do e no go favor you. Many bloggers don come, many don fade away, many still dey inside. Na so e be. Many footballers don come, some don fade away, some still dey. That's how it is. So not look another person in condition or in issue take on use and say this person go do am o, they don't do anything, me sef won't do. In story where you tell them with your own story no be the same. In story na different from your own story. I know who get Azilo wey go carry Africa passport take travel go Africa. Commissioner see am, the interviewer, he give explanation, commissioner leave am. Na commissioner own decision. That doesn't mean say me self need to do the same thing. Yes, you can travel to your country with protezione speciale, casi speciale, but at the same time, depending the story you told your commissioner, that will determine the future of your renewing. So the best thing you can do as a protezione speciale holder or casi speciale holder, if the paper, the moment they give you the paper, you have your plastic and you have get a job, just convert the paper to motivo di lavoro subordinato and relax. From there, your mind don't come out for protezione law, casi law. You don't go lavoro subordinato. All your burden is to get a good contract so that every time you can renew the paper. Basta. Thank you for loving my video, liking, sharing, and subscribe. If you never hit the like button and share the video to your loved ones, may they understand. Tap send is here to stay. Tap send, it can save us. Tap send if you dey send money to Africa. Very easy, faster, and convenience. You know they use any sending fee. Share you understand. So they know they tax you any money. If you use the promo code Gloria, GLORIA, they will still dash you additional €5, £5, $5, depending the currency where you they use. So please download tap send. Now make a talk. Say I go put all the alliances where they get. The one where they get for UK, the one where they get for Europe, the one where they get for Canada, the one where they get for United States. So that people with their mind, they tell them, say, maybe the thing na scam, na this, na that. You go no say, confirm app. Me, I don't use them more than 2.5 years. Now they enter 3 years with tap send. I never encounter any problem with tap send. So try, may you use tap send down. If you get any question, anything where you don't understand, drop the comment under the normal comment sections. There, I will reply you. Show your side of view, because here we are here to educate ourselves. Thank you for loving, sharing, liking, and subscribing. Till next time, adios.